We're just getting started today, and there's already a lot of airplanes in the air. And you get 2 shots. You can go around if you don't like your approach.
Yeah.
And that's about it. You gotta be between this line and the 50-yard line for where you're standing. So Dave, what do you think, Dave? We gonna call your shot here?
No.
All right. I'm gonna say you get 4. Here goes the David. Look at that. That's nice. Almost killed the cameraman. I guess that's a go around. That's a go around, I think.
I think I might have heard the pin.
I didn't hear anything, David. I didn't hear anything. There we go. All right, that's first shot. Here it comes. I believe that's a gutter ball. All right, here we go. Nice. Oh! Look at him. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. What's he need to win? What's he need to win? Beat you. 6 to win, he says. That's a win. All right. Can we get a spare?
Now he's showboating.
Oh, what is happening here? Come on, get the spare. Oh, he got it! You got the spare. That was great, buddy. Josh,